Lakes Regional Healthcare is a thriving, modern, and compassionate organization dedicated to improving the health and well-being of people in the Iowa Great Lakes. It takes many dedicated and talented individuals to accomplish this mission, something Lakes Regional Healthcare volunteers have been a part of since the beginning. In the hospital's beginning in 1958, the volunteers formed and started a membership drive, actively and passionately pursuing all women residing in Dickinson County. Going door to door, their goals were to encourage development of a hospital to the community and assist in improving the patient care provided there. The Pink Ladies, as they were commonly known then and still sometimes are to this day, provided much of the equipment for the hospital by organizing and hosting fundraising events. Along with fundraising to purchase new pieces of equipment, the volunteers played an important part by making hospital patients feel welcome and comfortable during their hospital stay and by helping hospital staff in various ways, such as transporting and escorting patients, both of which have evolved into the primary focus of Lakes Regional Healthcare volunteers today.
My goal is to mostly make the patient feel safe and comfortable while they're here in the hospital or just for the day. I also like to impress upon them how the staff and professionals only have one goal in mind, and that is to make them feel better.
There are many options for volunteering, from sewing teddy bears for pediatric patients in the ER, knitting newborn baby caps, planning fundraisers, decorating the hospital during the Christmas season, escorting or directing patients, to ensuring a welcoming environment for Lakes Regional Healthcare visitors, just to name a few.
We decided to do this together as husband and wife team. We enjoy being together, and whenever people come in, we can help them out going wherever they need to go or transport them to a place. So it's a good rewarding feeling in that regard. And to greet people as they come in, it's always a plus. So we enjoy what we're doing, and there's a few fellows who do this. We wear a blue or a turquoise kind of vest, which distinguishes us from the pink vests that the ladies wear. But we enjoy what we're doing.
And we like representing Lakes Regional Healthcare. That's a good feeling.
They distribute important patient information throughout the facility, and they're a vital part of patient transportation back and forth to X-ray and other areas of the hospital. Our newborn baby hats are wonderful and greatly appreciated by the OB staff and the parents. The volunteers greet and guide visitors as well as the patients when they enter the building. Welcoming smiles, helpful attitude are frequently the first impression for our visitors and our clients.
Probably one of the most important benefits Lakes Regional Healthcare volunteers receive is meeting new people and getting to see and care for old friends.
I really enjoy being a volunteer because of the new people I've met that volunteer, the people that come in every day through the door. You never know what's coming in, who's coming in. I get to see a lot of people that I wouldn't get to see otherwise.
After working as a messenger for a while, we decided to work at the West End and have enjoyed meeting and helping people very much there. Being a volunteer, you meet many new people and many people you work with, and it has been lots of fun.
I always did everything together, and I decided after 55 years of marriage I might as well do the same thing as her out here. So I enjoy helping people, and so we've met a lot of interesting people, and we always get a lot of thanks for everything we do, and that means a lot.
Plus, the knowledge that each volunteer has knowing they make a positive impact on patients, visitors, and staff every time they volunteer. It is very much appreciated.
I love volunteering at the hospital because I think it's an important thing to do. And I'm a busy person, so I have to choose what I want to do. And so volunteering at the hospital is something that I enjoy a lot because I'm appreciated by the staff and the patients, and it makes a fun situation.
Beth Whitler from Medical Records. I want to tell you how much I really appreciate all of your work. You come when I call to either deliver something or pick something up. You come into our office every day, take papers upstairs. Plus, several of you that I know well have become friends with. I'm going to retire in March, and I'm going to really miss you guys. So thank you for everything you do.
The volunteers are absolutely awesome around here. They keep our department running. The ER gets crazy. There are gatekeepers. They keep everything organized. They kind of are crowd maintenance, if you will. So they're excellent. I can't say enough good things about them. They make everything run smoothly. Fabulous.
On behalf of the surgical department, I would like to thank you guys, all of you volunteers, for getting our patients to us and their families to us, finding us through the waiting room and finding us back in surgery. We know that it's hard to find, and we are happy that you guys are out there guiding people. And on a personal note, I want to thank you for always having coffee pots full, because I go out there and get my coffee, and I know the surgeons and a lot of the staff go out there to those coffee pots, and it's nice to see your smiles and to have the nice warm coffee. Thank you very
When I
much.
see our volunteers walking through the halls of LRH, I view them as a mighty group that contributes to our community and facilities in more ways than I can imagine.
I would encourage any of you that are considering becoming a volunteer to at least give it a try. And you'll be more than happy, I think, with the results.
Hello all, this is Jason Harrington, the CEO here at the hospital. I get the good fortune to talk to people often about the great satisfaction that we have here at Lakes Regional Healthcare. And part of that conversation always leads back to all of you, our great volunteers. We're thankful for all that you do. You're the first impression that the hospital has. And as I said, we have great patient satisfaction here as measured by our Press Ganey scores. I'm extremely thankful of all the work and time that you give. If we had to replace you in some fashion financially, the hospital would be unable to do that, and we'd provide a lesser service to our patients. So thank you for all of those of you who have volunteered for us and continue to do that, and thank you in advance for all of you who will do that in the future.